In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact from your Mailerlite subscriber list using the Chrome browser. Whether you're streamlining your contacts or removing outdated information, these simple steps will guide you through the process efficiently. First, make sure you open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Mailerlite website. You will need to log in to access your account, so enter your credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, locate the subscribers section, which is your go-to area for managing all contacts. This section provides a comprehensive view, allowing you to organize, edit, and if necessary, delete subscribers. Now you'll need to search specifically for the contact you wish to remove. If you're using Zoho CRM, you might want to start by entering the Zoho contacts details into the search bar within the subscribers section. It should quickly bring up the relevant contact, saving you time from scrolling through extensive lists. Now that you have found the contact or account in question, it's time to proceed with the deletion. Carefully select the contact by checking the box next to their name or clicking on their profile if this option aligns with your interface. It's crucial to exercise caution at this stage because clicking delete is a permanent action. There is no going back once you confirm deletion, so ensure this is the right decision for you. With that in mind, click delete. A prompt will appear to confirm that you indeed want to remove the contact. This extra step is designed to protect you from accidental deletions and to provide one final chance to double check that the correct contact has been selected. Once you've reviewed and confirmed you're satisfied with your selection, go ahead and finalize the deletion. This action will remove the contact from your subscriber list in Mailerlite, ensuring your data remains clean and up to date. Regularly tidying up your contacts can significantly help in maintaining an organized subscriber base, ultimately enhancing your email marketing efforts. As you go through these steps, keep in mind that the Mailerlite platform is continually evolving. Occasionally, you may find slight variations in the interface or additional features that provide even more ways to manage your contacts effectively. Being aware of these potential updates can help you remain efficient in managing your communications. And that's it. You've successfully completed the process of deleting a contact from your Mailerlite subscriber list. By following these instructions, you're not only keeping your Mailerlite records organized, but you're also ensuring that your communication strategies are as streamlined and effective as possible.